Hi, this is Shushan from MeasureSquare. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a count product. Make sure you're on the Products tab at the bottom and click the plus icon at the top to add a new product. We'll call it Furniture Removal. And for the type, you're going to select Count. For the trade, it's miscellaneous by default, but you can change that. You can choose to add an add-on, a sales price. Let's add on 20. And for the cost price, I'll put 10. And you can choose things like the waste percentage here. When you're happy, click Done. And Furniture Removal is under Count now. I'll just drag it over. And over here, I can choose to do input count, which is the number that I put in. Or I can choose to do stuff like all corners or inside corners for stuff like corner guards. I'm going to keep it at input count because I'm going to put in 5 over here. And I'll click Done. And you'll see the times 5 will appear in my room. If I go to Reports and Forms, and I'll click Reload, just to make sure I get the right numbers, you'll see the quantity is now 5 times 20 is 100. And that's how you create a count product.